दंगा करते हैं।
3 जनवरी 2026 की सुबह वेनेजुएला के उत्तरी इलाकों में अमेरिकी वायुसेना ने बड़े पैमाने पर एयर स्ट्राइक्स शुरू की। वेनेजुएला की राजधानी काराकास में अमेरिकी सैन्य हमले के बाद राष्ट्रपति निकोलस मादुरो और उनकी पत्नी को अमेरिकी फोर्सेस ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया है। अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने इस ऑपरेशन की पुष्टि की है और कहा है कि अमेरिका अब वेनेजुएला को अस्थायी रूप से संचालित करेगा।
We're going to run the country until such time as we can do a safe, proper, and judicious transition. So we don't want to be involved with having somebody else get in, and we have the same situation that we had for the last long period of years. So we are going to run the country until such time as we can do a safe, proper, and judicious transition. And it has to be judicious because that's what we're all about. We want peace, liberty, and justice for the great people of Venezuela, and that includes many from Venezuela that are now living in the United States and want to go back to their country. It's their homeland. We can't take a chance that somebody else takes over Venezuela that doesn't have the good of the Venezuelan people in mind. We've had decades of that. We're not going to let that happen.
अमेरिकी कार्रवाई के खिलाफ दुनिया भर में विरोध के स्वर उठ रहे हैं। भारत में भी इसकी कड़ी निंदा हो रही है। राजधानी दिल्ली, आंध्र प्रदेश के विजयवाड़ा और विशाखापट्टनम में नेता और कार्यकर्ता सड़कों पर उतर आए हैं। प्रदर्शनकारी अमेरिका के इस हमले और मादुरो की गिरफ्तारी को संप्रभुता का उल्लंघन बता रहे हैं और हमले की निंदा कर रहे हैं।
United States has a strange fascination with regime change. And someone in the US government should seriously sit down and evaluate as to whether the regime changes that they've carried out in the past, has it really worked for the United States or has it worked against the United States? The situation is concerning. The United Nations Security Council will meet on Monday, and it's an evolving situation, and so therefore everybody around the world is watching things carefully.
विजयवाड़ा में सीपीआई और सीपीआईएम प्रदर्शनकारियों ने मुख्य सड़कों पर मार्च निकाला और अमेरिकी नीतियों की आलोचना की। वहीं विशाखापट्टनम में सेंटर ऑफ इंडियन ट्रेड यूनियंस के नेता बड़ी संख्या में लोग जमा हुए और ट्रंप के इस कार्रवाई के खिलाफ बोलते नजर आए। यहां तक कि सीपीआईएम के नेता हन्नान मोल्लाह ने ट्रंप को क्रिमिनल कह दिया।
The worst criminal in the world is Donald Trump. He is doing gundagardi all over the world, however he likes. On the one hand, he is saying he is making peace, demanding Nobel Prize for peace, and he is worst kind of gunda among the political leaders all over the world. He is attacking anybody whenever likes. He is creating trouble for Cuba. He is creating trouble for Colombia. He is creating trouble for now Venezuela. And what one president has to capture elected president of a country.
Till now they have done their trade war. Now it is actual war. They are using weapons. They are entering into the sovereign country and arresting the president and his wife, and they are taking. It is the most atrocious thing. It is rowdyism, nothing but rowdyism and gundaism. That is they are doing. We are condemning it. The whole world, the globe, the world should oppose this. If that is allowed in Venezuela, then it will come to other countries also. Even India, they can do this. Anywhere they can enter. So the world community should oppose this. As for CITU, as far as the working class of India, we are opposing it.
अमेरिका द्वारा वेनेजुएला के राष्ट्रपति निकोलस मादुरो और उनकी पत्नी सिलिया फ्लोरेस की गिरफ्तारी तथा काराकास पर किए गए लक्षित सैन्य हमलों ने पूरी दुनिया को स्तब्ध कर दिया है। यह घटना अंतर्राष्ट्रीय संबंधों में एक ऐतिहासिक और विवादास्पद मोड़ हो सकता है।